Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix if your iPhone screen mirroring is not working. So let's get started. First, you gotta make sure your iPhone and TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network because screen mirroring will not work on different networks. Next, you gotta restart both your iPhone and your TV or streaming device. Now, you gotta open the control center and you gotta tap mirroring. So if you're not able to see the control of screen mirroring, you gotta simply long press on any empty area, click on add a control and search for mirroring over here. And this is basically screen mirroring. Simply enable it and then you gotta click on screen mirroring. If your TV is not showing up in the list, you gotta make sure AirPlay is enabled on the TV settings. Also, you can turn off any VPN if you're using one because it can block AirPlay connections. Finally, you can update your iPhone and TV software, then try screen mirroring again. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.